Hello, welcome to the User Entity Overview for SAP SuccessFactors video. At the end of this video, you'll be able to locate a user entity in SAP SuccessFactors and view the details of a user entity. Once logged in as an administrator, click the arrow to the left of the People menu group and click Users. The workspace for the user search will appear. Let's hide the left menu from view. Click the Enter Full Screen icon in the upper right next to the Help icon. You can search for a user with any of the criteria listed. If you do not see the criteria you wish to search by, click the Add Remove Criteria button. From here, you can add additional searchable fields. For this example, let's search for Amanda Winters. Enter her last name and first name and click Search. Click the user ID in the search results to access the user entity. You may notice the layout is the same as other entities in SAP SuccessFactors, with the header on top and the menu tabs running horizontally across the screen and down the right side. Scroll through the User Details tab to become familiar with the fields available to you. Click the Assigned Items tab in the menu bar above the User Details. Scroll through the Assigned Items tab to see the items assigned to the user. Some other commonly used tabs are Completed Items and Registration. On the top right of the screen, click the Actions menu to view additional actions you may take on behalf of a user. When you have a moment, you will want to explore each of the available user tabs. Let's navigate back to the menu. Click the Exit Full Screen icon in the upper right. This concludes the User Entity Overview for SAP SuccessFactors video. You should now be able to locate a user entity and view the details of the user entity in SAP SuccessFactors.